Ashima, PPDT Directress, and all the sisters, teachers, and my dear students. A hearty welcome once again to one and all present here, especially for the newcomers. I hope now you are feeling that you are part of this PTI family. Do you?
Yes, sir.
I would like to begin with saying thank you for taking a great decision to be part of this institute. You have really taken a decision. Decision means faisla. To be here in this PTI with a purpose. Yes?
Yes.
With a goal in your mind, and you have come to fulfill that goal into this PTI. So I congratulate each one of you for being part of us. I hope you all are excited to start this new academic year. When we say new academic year, there will be a lot of challenges, difficulties that you have to face. There is no any way without any difficulties, without any obstacles. कोई ऐसा रास्ता नहीं है जो बिना कोई दिक्कतें या मुश्किलें, है ना? So there is always difficulties in life. So education, life when you choose in a different institute, different colleges or schools, or it can be a training, there is always hardships. What are those hardships? Hardships to get away from your home, to go and stay with somewhere else, to adjust the environment. आपका अपना घर छोड़ करके दूर जाना पड़ता है ना? The home environment you have to leave behind. You have to go and adjust. दूसरा जगह में adjust करना है आपको. वहाँ का जगह adjust करना है, वातावरण adjust करना है, खाना पीना adjust करना है, लोगों के साथ adjust करना है, और उसके ऊपर नया education, new subjects, new way of living or studying, the discipline. There are a lot of these are the hardships that we are going to face, and this is our life. If you have set a goal and if your decision is right and strong, so no difficulties becomes an obstacle when we have set a goal and we try to achieve and we focus fully onto that goal. All of you had, except pre-primary teachers training, you had some orientation. Sister Daisy has made you to set and she has helped you to set goals in your life. You had it already, but she has helped you to make it stronger, to put a strong foundation here. So you have already set. Now it is up to you to achieve. And to achieve that goal, you are here. So keep in mind, obstacles should not become, or the difficulties should not become an obstacle in your achievement or in your success. You have continued to remind yourself the goal, the decision that you have taken to come here. And this is a family atmosphere. We call it PTI family. There are teachers, there are staff who will be constantly helping you to reach your success. So don't never give up. Never give up. You have to continuously strive, work hard, put your effort into that. Then only you will be success. So the mistake that you make will it be end to that? No. From the mistakes you have to learn to overcome and to change your life. Mistake is always will change. We are human beings, we make mistakes. So that is not the end. From there we start learning anew. For learning purpose we are here. Yes or no?
Yes, sister.
Different sections we have selected like pre-primary, secretarial course, commerce, hotel management. Everybody's training is different. Everybody has different challenges, everybody has different difficulties, activities. Everything is different. Isn't it?
Yes.
But still we can help one another. We can help one another when they feel that they are finding difficulties. You can be a word of encouragement. When they feel like that I cannot do, you can say a word of encouragement. Help them how to solve. Can we be?
Yes.
Yes. So be a supportive to one another, help one another so that you can grow together, you can experience many things. When we live together, when we work together as a team, we experience many things in our life. May it be in our behavior, there will be changes, may it be in a discipline. In our schools, we have not followed maybe discipline. We might have not used some of the good manners. We know all the good manners, but we are not using them. But there is a time here for you to make use of them. If you have not, you cultivate them from the other, learn from the other, and also share your potentials. Everyone has potentials. What is potentials? Shamta, the abilities, good things in you, so that you give to others also, share with others by helping, by supporting, by caring. So being together as a family, we can also get our success, we are able to reach our goal, and that is the purpose you are here. Yes? So we wish you all the best. You continue, keep up your enthusiasm, excitement to learn something new, and become a skillful person so that you become one day special, someone great in the society, in the community, and also in the nation, in the world. Yes? Because teachers, you are going to bring up young ones later on when you become a teacher. So to mold others, you have to get molded now. So this is the time for you. So once again, hearty welcome and wish you all the best. Do well. Continue to strive. A quotation is put there. Chase your dreams. Okay? Chase dream means not like chasing flies. है ना? Flies मालूम है ना? मक्खी आता है तो भगाता है. This is not that chasing. You have to go after your dream. Okay? Remember your dream and go after that to achieve. Okay? So once again, all the best. Continue to grow. Continue to grow wherever you are, because we are called to hope. We are called to hope. So never give up. So once again, all the best. Enjoy and continue your studies being here. Okay? I also thank all the staff for putting up this wonderful program, and a round of applause for the second years. We have seen them, they were just week before here, and they have worked hard, put their all effort in making this day a wonderful one for you all. I hope you have enjoyed. Yes? So, congratulations for all the second years for your wonderful programs and arranging this stage, hall, everywhere and welcoming and making us feel proud. So, thank you.